What's up, class? Evans here. Today you're going to make block 15, and then right after, watch a video how to share it with me, and then do block 17. So you're going to make this kind of item. It's pretty much just a cylinder with another cylindrical cut out of it. So you're going to make a new part. Of course, put your initials. Now, I'm sure you can do mostly this without me, but we're going to create a sketch on the top view, and we're going to create a circle. So the circle command is located right here. Click on that. Expand out. This needs to be a 2-inch circle, so I'm going to press 2, enter. Again, if you mess that up, the dimension tool is right here for you to fix that. And I'm going to extrude that 2 inches tall. Oh, whoops. Extrude that 2 inches tall. Enter. Now, if you ever do like what I did there and you create an extra sketch, you click on it. Actually, it's this one. You can click on it and then do a double click and go to delete. And let me reset what that clicks on. This thing is a very editable tool for you to fix little mistakes like that. Once I have that, I want to view it from the top view. Now, when I did this with you in person, we had to cut it out from here to here. So I'm going to create a sketch on the top, and I have these lines as references here. I'm going to click Align tool, and I see how I have that dotted line there. I'm going to go out until I touch the actual curve of it, and I'm going to go straight out. The dimension of it doesn't even matter. So I'm going to hit Escape, and I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to go straight out. It's important that we're making like a 90-degree cross right here. In fact, I'm going to click both of them, the double click with my 2 fingers, and I'm going to call these a construction line. That means we're only going to use them to build something else. So I'm going to build another circle. I'm going to click at their intersection and go straight out to one of the points. This should be a 2-inch circle. That means I have it the right size. It might complain, I think, because I labeled it as a 2-inch, so I'm going to delete that so it stops complaining to me. And then I'm going to hit OK. And I want to extrude that as a singular cut going straight down. So I got to hit remove, and it's got to be 2 inches, to enter, and I hit the green check mark. And that is my shape from the front view, from the right side view, and from the top. Just the way we drew it. So you can show this to me at your screen, but I want you to look at the next video and watch how to share this with me. Because if you are making parts for another person or another company, in order to share files, you wouldn't ask them to come look at your computer screen. You would give them access to the files, just like we share files on Google Classroom or Dropbox, any file management stuff. You would send them their files. Now, the software that you're using is actually worth somewhere between $1,000 to $2,000 to have access to. But because we're students in a classroom, we have free access to it as long as we only use it for educational purposes. So if I were to send this to a client, they don't have this software, so they need to have the ability to have access to it. Since it's all web-based, there's a specific way to send them a link, and I want you to watch my video on how to do that correctly. It's using the share button, but there's a few things you need to correctly click to make it work. If you have any questions, feel free to call me over, and I'd love to help you. Thank you. Bye.